Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Looking to the US, markets started off strong after a robust rally in oil prices lifted the recently depleted energy stocks. Rises in the prices of industrial metals such as copper and zinc rose as well, with investors worrying about potential shortages, which helped miners further. The US 500 added 23 points to close on 1,936.58. The US Tech 100 gained 60 points to close on 4,210.55. And the Wall Street rallied 193 points to close on 16,554. Looking into commodities, Brent crude oil continued its rally yesterday, adding $1.58 to its price to close on $34.67 a barrel. Gold was retreating off its peaks from 12 days ago, losing $16.70 to close on $1,209. However, other metals such as iron ore are on the rise. Iron ore, the key ingredient in steelmaking and key source of profits for leading mining houses, has hit $50 a ton for the first time in 4 months, boosted by rising steel prices in China. Benchmark Australian ore for immediate delivery to China was assessed at $50.30 a ton on Monday, up $3.30 by the Steel Index, a move that boosted shares in BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto, two of the world's largest producers. They both rose 9%, while Anglo American, another large supplier, gained 10%. Overnight, however, BHP Billiton has slashed its interim dividend by 74%, marking the widely anticipated end of a long-held policy under which investors in the Anglo-Australian miner enjoyed steady or rising payouts. BHP said today that it is preparing for a prolonged period of weaker prices and higher volatility as it swung to a $5.7 billion net loss in the first half of the financial year as a result of slumping commodity prices. We now have to recognize we are in a new era, a new world, and we need a different dividend policy to handle that, said Andrew Mackenzie, Chief Executive. Slower growth in China and the disruption of OPEC has resulted in lower prices than expected. In early trading this morning, BHP has lost part of its gains yesterday, already trading down 3.4%. In Europe, the UK 100 gained 100 points off the back of miners, as well as banking shares, which rose as sentiment has improved. With the increase in oil prices, Shell's share price rose 3.9%, while BP added 4%. In contrast, the sterling was subject to its largest daily fall since May 2010. The Germany 30 also had a positive day, gaining 209 points to close on 5,531.5. In today's corporate news, Drax Group said underlying earnings fell to £46 million in 2015 from £96 million the year before. Intercontinental Hotels Group reported an 8% rise in underlying revenues to $1.5 billion, and Croda International reported a 4.2% rise in sales to £1.1 billion. Today's economic data in focus at 9 a.m. saw the IFO German business climate released. At 11:15, there will be a speech by Swiss National Bank Chairman Thomas Jordan, and at 1:45 p.m. the US Red Book Index is released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.